Hello YouTube, and welcome to this mindfulness practice. This one's a bit different. This one is just reminding ourselves of what it's like to be present when speaking with others. I don't know about you, but more often than not nowadays, when you have a conversation with someone, it's very difficult to have their full attention. There's usually a phone in the other person's hand. There's cars driving by. There's some sort of advert. And, the same also goes for us. We're often not fully present with others. So knowing this, it's good to practice being mindful in our conversations. This is something which is very easy to forget. What it's like to just look the other person in the eye and fully observe them in terms of their conversations and their body language. Rarely does a day go by when you don't interact with anyone, whether it's family, a roommate, or your colleagues. When you talk, you can bring mindfulness to what you're saying, how it impacts others, and what your intentions are. With this exercise, it's very quick. It just takes a few minutes. And if you practice it regularly, you can utilize it at any time. Do it once or twice a day, while on the phone, talking with a loved one, or during any social interaction. Before speaking, bring mindfulness to your intentions. Ask yourself why you are going to say whatever you plan on saying. Pause. Examine the possibility of saying it with even more kindness or patience. Consider whether your words are timely and useful in this moment. We often gossip, interrupt, or talk simply to avoid uncomfortable silences. But it's sometimes the silences that give us the opportunity to really embrace what the other person is saying, or to prepare what we're about to say. Think about whether or not it's appropriate to talk, and what purpose your words will serve. If it's possible that your words will put someone else down, interrupt someone who's currently speaking, or ring as untrue, try reconsidering your choice of words. While speaking, speak slowly and be mindful of the words you're using. When the other person responds, either verbally or with body language, observe how it feels. And remember that you can't control others, but you can bring mindfulness to your own responses. When you're done talking, leave the words be. Listen to the other person and just wait for the right time to talk again. And as you practice this more regularly, you'll be able to navigate challenging conversations with more ease. So I really hope you enjoyed this reminder, this practice. If you've received any value from it, then I'd love to hear your thoughts and if you've tried this and if it's worked. Thanks all.